Okay, so I started preparing for spray painting the rims. I'm waiting for a tool for the engine, so I'm just gonna preparing some painting on the rims while I'm waiting. So it's gonna be nice. Fresh new green color that will match the rest of the bike. And now we also fixed this valve here, right here, because it was loose. So we got this tool we needed to mount it on. Used this push tool to get it back into place. So very nice. So then every single one should be lined up again. At least we're making some progress. So I'm trying to multitask while I can.